So what can we say here? Is this, okay, everybody lock in here because I'm answering an important question. Is this an instance of this?
Yeah.
Is this equation the same as this equation?
Yes, pretty much, yeah.
Well, yeah, if B has the right value and C has the right value, it's going to be the same as this equation, right? And what would B have to be equal to? Well, B is what's in front of lambda, right? What's in front of lambda? Negative R plus S.
Yeah.
Okay? So, okay, let's go ahead and, yeah, I guess, yeah, I do have this, okay. I never remember if I turn that thing on. So sometimes it's on when I think it's off, and boy, you get some weird stuff. Okay, okay. This and this are the same, provided B is negative R plus S, right? And also, C has to be R plus S minus 1, right? Okay, so in that case, this and this are the same. Meaning that the solution of this is what you get if you put negative R plus S in for B, every place you see a B, and R plus S minus 1 every place you see a C. And of course, what's A?
1.
Well, A is what's in front of lambda squared, and that's 1, right? So maybe I should have written that down. Okay, these are the same, provided A is 1, B is negative R plus S, and C is R plus S minus 1. Okay? Now, that's pretty easy once you learn to look at it, but if you haven't ever looked at the quadratic equation like that, and haven't done a lot of work with symbols, okay, it can be a little confusing. Okay, so in any case, what are our solutions then? Well, we're just going to take, where'd my yellow chalk go? Who's got my yellow chalk? Solutions are then lambda equals, okay, well, negative B, right? What's negative B? Well, it's the negative of negative R quantity R plus S. Kind of smushed that together, but we understand. That's just going to be R plus S, of course, right? Plus or minus the square root of B squared, right? So we could write that as the quantity, negative quantity R plus S quantity squared. Of course, that's the same as just R plus S quantity squared because the negative sign will go away. Okay? Minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is R plus S minus 1. And all that divided by 2A, which is 2 times 1. Okay? So this is a straightforward step, but we will step back a little bit and make sure we understand what we're doing when we replace these things with symbols, right? Okay? Because that might look a little unfamiliar to many of you. Okay, well then we can easily put that in the form R plus S plus or minus a square root of, and you know, you don't really know where to go to simplify this algebra because you don't have the experience I have, okay? And of course, there are plenty of people who have more experience than I do, but I can see that I have an R plus S here and an R plus S here, and I kind of want to keep those. So I don't want to certainly use the F word to expand this, but I don't want to expand this because it matches this. And you know, when you factor things, well, we're going to see how that works out, okay? So we have plus s squared, I'm going to write this in the form minus 4 times r plus s, and then plus 4, all that divided by 2. Okay? And then I can see clearly that if r and s are both between 0 and 1, that r plus s is certainly positive, right? Okay? Now I've got a plus or minus here, right? Well, if this square root is somehow seen to be always less than r plus s, then this has always got to be positive. And if I'm saying what I think I'm saying, that's the case. I haven't worked this out in advance. I knew that, you know, it'd be a fairly simple expression, but I can pretty much see it because this can be factored. So that's my hint. That's all I'm telling you. It's all you're getting out of me until Monday. But you can answer now all of these questions if you can figure out how to factor that thing. And if you're clever enough. And some of you certainly are, maybe all of you are. But I would bet against everybody. Yeah, with any individual, I wouldn't bet against you. I would bet against the whole group all getting it independently, okay? I'll bet somebody's going to get it. I'll bet more than one person's going to get it, and I'll bet not everybody gets it. So we'll see on Monday. So if you don't get it, don't be paranoid. It's algebraically a pretty challenging idea, way beyond anything you've been asked to do, okay? But give it a shot.